Hey everyone, have you noticed how quickly the tool industry is changing? It feels like new brands are showing up every day with their latest ideas, advanced tech, and of course, new tools. Out of all of them, we've picked the 20 best new tools you can get this year. So, let's jump right in and check them out. This tool, coming in first on our list, isn't just for any tradesperson. Instead, we've placed it at the top because of its true value. This is FarReach A1, an ultimate in-car rescue tool for workers who frequently travel to their job site by car. With a powerful 20,000 mAh battery, it quickly jump-starts your engine. On sunny days or during your road trips, you'll appreciate its maximum pressure of 150 psi, which allows you to easily inflate car tires, motorcycle tires, bicycles, sports balls, paddle boards, and inflatable tents. Plus, it comes with an LCD display to monitor the inflation process. Additionally, it helps you monitor tire pressure and wheel time for enhanced safety. When the sun goes down, the top-mounted LED light with up to 400 lumens will illuminate your surroundings. Whether you're lighting up your work site or navigating the outdoors, the FarReach A1 can be your reliable companion without any doubt. Professionals who usually use rugged, heavy-duty tools for their job might consider this chainsaw a lower-grade tool. However, you'll know its power and efficiency once you put it to work. According to the manufacturers, it can give you the similar power to a 27cc gas chainsaw without the hassle of fuel. This new tool from Skil comes with quarter-inch pitch chain that ensures smooth, precise cuts. The best part of the tool is its compact and lightweight design. For that, you will get a great maneuverability and operate the tool with almost zero fatigue. It also has the auto-lubricating feature, which extends the chain life, and the tool-free chain tensioning feature that allows you to adjust the tension quickly and easily using a convenient dial on the side. Plus, with an IPX4 weather resistance rating, this chainsaw stands like reliable choice for all your outdoor cutting needs. Maxima FRESAMAX 125, a new tool made specifically for laying underfloor heating pipes. This compact milling machine features a short wheelbase that allows for dust-free operation, thanks to its ergonomic saw guard. You'll love the ability to remove the rear wheel, which ensures maximum precision, even in tight corners and curves close to walls. The machine's power is enhanced by a short bar transmission from the motor to the diamond disc, coupled with shielded bearings for improved performance. Its thrust bar is symmetrical for added comfort and is both axially and radially adjustable, allowing you to customize your working position. This tool also features a protection bracket for the motor and rotating parts, so you can operate with peace of mind. With a milling depth of up to 20 mm and a cutter diameter of 125 mm, the Frieza Max 125 is built to handle your milling needs efficiently. Say hello to the new guest from Klein Tools, the Scout Pro Max, a versatile tool for all your testing and troubleshooting needs. With its advanced features, this tool allows you to perform both analog and digital tone generation for effective cable tracing. One of the standout capabilities is its time domain reflectometry function, which measures cable lengths and detects faults, so you will get accurate distance readings to any issues. Plus, it can generate comprehensive reports to display custom test histories. The Scout Pro Max can test both shielded and unshielded cables and trace up to 20 locations simultaneously with the included remote units. It also supports plain old telephone service testing and can detect active network capabilities. So we can say it will be a valuable asset for technicians working in networking and telecommunications. The OLFA KH1 is an innovative X-design companion holder that provides a secure and convenient way to carry your cutting tools. It locks your cutter in place securely, so you don't have to worry about it slipping or falling out. When you're ready to use your cutter, simply squeeze the holder and it will release the lock with a natural motion, making it quick and easy to access your tool. This holder is specifically designed for use with the heavy-duty 18mm handles in OLFA's flagship X design series, enhancing both safety and usability. You'll appreciate the large soft belt loop, which can move forward and backward by up to 30 degrees, ensuring comfort and flexibility while you work. Overall, the KH1 improves your cutting experience by combining accessibility and security, allowing you to focus on your tasks with confidence. 3DCIMO Multipro. This pocket-sized workshop tool lets you create or fix just about anything. It's a multifunctional tool, combines the capabilities of a 3D printer, soldering station, plastic welder, resistance wire cutter, jigsaw, small drill, and electric screwdriver. If you enjoy customizing tools to fit your needs, you can opt for the 3DCIMO Kit, the world's first open-source multifunctional tool, allowing you to build and modify it yourself. Designed with compactness and user-friendliness in mind, the 3DCIMO Multipro is perfect for makers and DIY enthusiasts. With its advanced 3D drawing technology, you can easily create 3D objects without needing any prior 3D modeling knowledge. Whether you want to make phone covers, cosplay parts, jewelry, or household items, this tool lets you start crafting right away. Plus, it's versatile enough to repair 3D printed objects, toys, and electronic devices. Here comes the Optimo Drywall tools. You'll get the Optimo Automatic Taper at first, which will help you to apply joint compound to the tape. It features interchangeable wear parts with major brands, so that you can do easy repairing. It also offers smooth cutting action along with stainless steel side plates for added durability. To help you quickly fill your automatic taping tools, the Optimo loading pump is compatible with all major brands and is constructed from high-quality materials to prevent leaks and ensure smooth operation. For creating flat joints on walls and ceilings, there are flat boxes too. They come in popular sizes of 10-inch and 12-inch. These boxes feature an adjustable mud flow dial for precise application. Plus, they include a quick-release door latch for easy cleaning. With these tools, you can expect a more efficient and effective drywall finishing experience. Enerpac Hydraulic Rail Stressor, RP70A, or effective rail track maintenance. You need equipment that is powerful, durable, and reliable. Getting this equipment to the job site is crucial, especially when dealing with hard-to-reach areas. The Enerpac RP70A hydraulic rail stressor is specifically designed for these challenges. It can deliver up to 70 tons of hydraulic pulling force, making it highly effective for rail work. One of its standout features is its modular design, which makes it up to 3 times lighter than similar tools. This means you can easily carry the entire kit to your location and set it up or take it apart in just a few minutes. The RP70A is compatible with Enerpac's high-performance hydraulic pumps, which come in various options, including petrol, electric, and the ZC3 battery pump. The ZC3 pump offers a cleaner and quieter operation, featuring 0 emissions and eliminating the need for PTO lines. The Bger 210 Pro is an advanced soldering tool designed to meet the needs of both beginners and professionals alike. One of its key features is its lightweight handle, weighing only 30 grams, which makes it easy to handle for extended periods without causing fatigue. Its sleek and simple design adds to the user-friendly experience, allowing you to work comfortably. This soldering iron heats up rapidly, thanks to its BC210 heating core that ensures high thermal efficiency. The 40-watt power output provides consistent performance, while the OLED digital display allows you to monitor the real-time temperature. With the Bger 210 Pro, you'll find temperature control is straightforward and efficient. Plus, the pluggable heating element makes it simple to replace when needed, helping you extend the life of the tool and maintain its effectiveness. This means you can focus on your projects with confidence, knowing your soldering iron is reliable and user-friendly. Next tool on the list is made for cutting multi-layer composite and plastic pipes with a diameter of up to 26 mm, the Rothenberger ROCUT, 26 MSR. This handy tool makes cutting pipes both precise and effortless. Its ground, curved steel blade is engineered to require less force, making your cutting tasks easier. You'll find that the optimized blade geometry allows for straight cuts with minimal need for adjustments afterward. The tool is made with a durable aluminum housing, which not only ensures a long lifespan, but also keeps it lightweight for ease of use. Plus, the rubberized handle gives you a secure grip even during extended periods of work, while the transport lock holds the blade in place when the tool isn't in use, enhancing safety. With the ROCUT 26 MSR, you can efficiently handle your pipe cutting needs. Fed up with the constant hassle of tripping over tangled extension cords? Meet Flexilla retractable extension cord reels. Available in both 25 and 50-foot lengths, these reels offer you an ample amount of cord to suit your specific needs, whether you're working on a small DIY project or tackling a larger job. Additionally, the lighted triple tap outlet not only enhances safety, but also provides you with plenty of capacity for all your power needs, making you feel like a true rock star in your workshop or garage. But that's not all. It takes convenience to the next level with the inclusion of a swiveling mounting bracket. This innovative feature allows the bracket to pivot in every direction, granting you unparalleled flexibility and comfort as you work in various positions. No more awkward bending or stretching to reach those tricky spots. While its appearance may differ from a traditional handsaw, the tough-built 18-inch PVC saw boasts equal power and ease of use. Its distinctive design and injection-molded ergonomic handle ensure optimal cutting performance with minimal effort required. Equipped with a high-carbon steel blade, this saw effortlessly slices through PVC pipes of varying thicknesses. The electro-coating on the blade reduces friction and drag, further enhancing cutting efficiency. Additionally, the blade features induction-hardened teeth and an integrated ruler, facilitating quick and accurate cuts, as well as hassle-free measurements. With a convenient pencil holder integrated into the handle, essential measuring tools are always within reach. The Little Giant Jumbo Step, a ladder that transforms your climbing experience into a seamless ascent akin to ascending a staircase. Crafted from non-conductive fiberglass, this ladder offers a lightweight alternative to bulky 6-foot ladders. With 3 wide steps, standing comfortably is effortless. Plus, enjoy the convenience of 2 handrail positions and an innovative tool tray, perfect for tackling tough work with ease. The slip-resistant oversized feet provide stability whether you're at home or in commercial settings, and they can be quickly replaced when needed. With all these features, there's no excuse not to keep a jumbo step in your truck bed. For precision that rivals the pros, look no further than the Craftsman 16-foot Pro 11 tape measure. This 11¼ tape measure is your go-to tool for achieving accurate measurements every time. Its wide, durable blade boasts high-contrast measurement markings for easy readability. With a multi-catch hook, you can effortlessly grab materials from the top or bottom. Plus, the side lock allows you to secure the length when you need a break from measuring. Designed with ergonomics in mind, it fits comfortably in your hand, while its tough construction ensures long-lasting durability. Who doesn't strive to complete projects efficiently and within budget? With this goal in mind, Hilty introduces its concrete sensors, providing accurate real-time information about your job site concrete. Monitor concrete strength according to ASTM C1074 standards via a dedicated mobile app, while also tracking changes in temperature. Installation is a breeze, with sensors automatically detecting pour times. These wireless Hilty sensors seamlessly share reports instantly via the free app. And rest assured, they're built to withstand even the toughest concrete mortars, ensuring durability through any rough conditions. It's time to elevate the precision and enjoyment of concrete projects. Get ready to tackle your soldering tasks with ease, whether you're a novice or a seasoned pro, thanks to the SnapOn Soldering Iron Kit. These portable butane soldering kits offer a safe and convenient solution for soldering wires, electrical terminals, and heating shrink sleeves. With a quick-release connector, changing tips is a breeze. Plus, enjoy the convenience of a one-touch igniter switch and a magnetic storage stand, ensuring smooth operation both on and off the job. And the best part? Integrated fuel gauge windows on both sides keep you informed about remaining fuel levels. With SnapOn, safety and precision are non-negotiable. Don't toss out your dull knives just yet. Give them a new lease on life with the SharpAll 3-in-1 Sharpener Tool. This versatile tool quickly sharpens knives, axes, hatchets, scissors, machetes, and more, making it a must-have for any toolkit. Crafted from premium abrasive material, the SharpAll is built to last, ensuring years of reliable use across a variety of applications. With presettable sharpening angles, you can achieve precise and accurate results every time. Plus, its lightweight design minimizes hand fatigue, while the rubber-coated handle provides a comfortable grip even when wearing gloves. Now, you will no longer have to deal with dull blades, and because the SharpHaul 3-in-1 tool is here to make the job effortless. When it's time to remove your vehicle's windscreen held in place by industrial-grade adhesive sealant, the ToolPro Windscreen Remover is your go-to solution. This tool effortlessly slips its angled blade underneath the windscreen, allowing you to apply significant force to cut through the heavy-duty seal with ease. If you encounter resistance getting the blade all the way under, simply exert some sideways force on the blade handle for added leverage. Prior to windscreen removal, ensure you use a sturdy prying tool for optimal results. Work methodically and prioritize safety throughout the process for a smooth and secure removal experience. For cutting projects where bulky circular saws are impractical, the Techo Mini circular saw steps in as the perfect solution. Despite its compact design, this saw packs a punch with a powerful copper motor capable of generating up to 3,700 revolutions per minute of no-load speed, effortlessly cutting through tough materials like wood, metal, tile, and aluminum in a single pass. With an easily adjustable depth gauge offering depths between 0 and 27 millimeters, precision cutting is at your fingertips. The optimized ergonomic rubber handle ensures maximum comfort and flexibility even during intense cutting sessions. And for added safety, the double safety button provides an extra layer of protection against accidental startups. With the Techo Mini circular saw, tackle your cutting tasks with confidence and ease. Makita Ur012G, a tool for lawn care enthusiasts and garden maintainers alike. This powerhouse handles heavy-duty applications with the power equivalent to a 40cc class engine grass trimmer, minus the hassle of gas, fumes, or emissions, thanks to its Makita XGT battery operation. With a variable speed trigger, you can easily adjust power levels while shifting from task to task. Choose from 3 modes for added versatility. Safety and precision are paramount with features like an electronic current limiter for overload protection and an electric brake for emergency pauses. Plus, enjoy a soft starting mechanism, offset bike handle, and reverse switch for unparalleled convenience and comfort during use. With the Makita Ur012G, lawn care and garden maintenance just got a whole lot easier. So that's all. Thanks for watching our video. We hope you enjoyed discovering some of the latest and greatest tools. If you want to stay updated on the newest releases, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell. See you next time.